Finally, time to replace my old saddlebags. These bags served me great for a long time, but they were just too small to hold much. And as you can see, they were pretty beat up.
Man down. Where you from, my
First step was to
nigga?
remove my
I
seat.
don't know. Where you from, my nigga? Where your grandma stay?
And don't judge my dirty bike, at least it's written plenty.
That run.
Now I just had to remove the old bag's hardware.
This is not a rapper, I'm sneaking cracker for cocaine. This is cold second, flinny, cognac, and major pain. Not the drill sergeant, but the stress that weighing on your brain. It was me, El Boogie, yeah, why she lucky? Fry down her pants, it got ugly. Waving your hand out the window, check yourself. Warriors again, so euphoria can slow this was you science, the privacy, the first one to get killed. Seen a looking nigga with his
And
brains
Viking
blown
Bags
out.
thankfully
At
sends
the
all the
same
new hardware
purpose, there
needed.
was same gout. Now this is not a tape recorder
And now to
saying that he
install the
did
new
it,
bags.
but ever since that day, I was looking at him different. That was back when I
Each
was
bag is
nine.
held down
Carry
by
back
two
the
bolts
nine.
in the
At the
frame, and they were
spindle,
super
every
easy to
butch is fine.
install.
We adapt the crime. Back a van with 4 guns at a time. With the sliding door. Fuck it's up. Fuck you shooting for. If you ain't walking up, you fucking punk. Picking up the fucking pump.
And now rinse
Picking
and
up you
repeat on the
fucking
other
suck a
side.
dick or die. You suck a bunch of wall of bullets coming from AKs, ARs, AR, duck. That's what
The
mama
hardest
said when
part of
we
the
were
whole
geeking.
install
That's
was just
illegal,
angling the bolts,
man.
so it really wasn't
Goddamn,
that bad at
all
all.
hell broke loose. You killed my cousin back in '94.
And
Fuck
just like
your
that,
truce. Now
you're
curl your
done.
head in that noose. You wind up dead on the news. Ain't no peace treaty,
These
just
bags
peace
have
and peace.
35
Fuck
liters of
agreement rules.
capacity, so that's more than
Bodies on
enough for
top of
really any
bodies.
sporty rider.
Ivies on top of ivies. Obviously, the coroner between the sheets like the Osleys. When you hop on that trolley, make sure your color's correct. Make sure you're corporate or they'll be calling
A
your
huge
mother
thank you to
correct.
Viking
Next
Bags. I
thing
will
the
be running
corner
these for
collect.
years to
All of
come.
our taxes except when we in traffic.